It's been going good. For me, myself, I started 4 weeks ago, marched into camp, and since then we've been working towards the first game and now second game. It's been going very good. Girls have been bonding very well, and I think we're just excited to take on all the teams to go for the three-peat, so it's going very good, actually. I think it's to keep going, because the training gets tougher. And I think for us girls to just stick together, especially because we're with each other 24/7. So I think to give each other the space and just to bond well with each other and keeping that a good spirit in the camp and on the field. So take it on the field, yeah. I think it makes it way easier for us girls, because other teams don't get to spend much time together and train twice a day. And I think our luxury is that we get to camp together and spend the whole season together. And I think that makes us stronger as a team. I went to school in the Netherlands, started at primary at Tourmaline, and then I went up to high school, Zegbroek College, and from there switched to rugby now and then school later. I started playing at a very young age, mixed with boys. I don't know the exact age, but it was pretty, started pretty young. I think 10, 11, something like that. And since then I've been playing rugby still till now, yeah. I think my family, because because they live far away. So when I'm on tour and away from them, I think that's what I miss the most. I miss my family. I think when I went back last year, we had a whole reunion, because I was away for 1 year, and then to be back home with my family was very emotional. And I think just spending time with them, grog session, and seeing all my families and friends after 1 year again. I think that was the most memorable one. Yeah. I think it's going to be my parents, grandparents, because they were the ones who started motivating me from the beginning, and till now they're still here with me, and I'm happy to share those moments with them, and I'll do it for them always. So, yeah. I'm very excited at the moment, because I think they're one of the best teams we're gonna face against. So I'm very excited. It's gonna be a very hard match, but I'm ready to go against the Waratahs. I think it's going to be the PG remixes. That will be my song before the match. I think it gives me a happy feeling and makes me proud and happy to be standing there in the Drua jersey. So I'll have to go with the Fiji remixes. Doesn't matter which one, just any. I don't really know a lot. I think The Rock. Yeah, The Rock. Yeah, The Rock. Favorite movie? I have no idea. I'm not really into movies, and if I have to choose one, I have no idea actually. I'll go with Home Alone, Christmas vibes. I think I'll go with the Superwoman. I got it through our coach from last year, Coach Male. After Fijian, I didn't really know what I wanted to do, where I wanted to play, and then I got the option to play for the Drua, and there's where I started my journey for Drua, so last year. And since then I've been with Drua, and I'm happy to be here. Naka, I just want to take this moment to thank you all for your support throughout the pre-season, and as we're starting our season, first game done, and I want to thank you guys for all the love and support. And I hope for you guys to keep supporting us till the end of the season, because we'll be going for a three-peat, and we won't be able to do that without you guys. So we would like to have the support for us this Saturday's game, and we'll try to give you guys the win. Must win.